Hi everyone, welcome back to Design News. In today's Design News, we're going to talk about a sad news because Figma is no longer going to be free. Adobe Xd is going to get a companion which allows you to convert your designs into actual applications and post it onto the Play Store or App Store. How cool is that? All this and so much more on today's Design News, so make sure you watch till the end. To begin with, remember Spline tool, which allows you to create 3D assets, animations. Well, it has now been released as an alpha release with a lot of new functions, file sharing, collaborative features, and many more new interactions. And it also supports M1 MacBooks now, so you'll have better performance. You figure out a UI, but it's hard to figure out backgrounds. Now, Hikey is a web-based application which allows you to create some amazing backgrounds, waves, glass, dots. And it also allows you to edit all of these. It also allows you to add some subtle interactions and animations, so you can quickly turn on your screen recorder and record waves being animated, blobs moving from one place to another, or color changing of different assets. I really appreciate that. Now remember, I did a video where I converted Figma designs to an actual Android and iOS application without code. Well, the same features are coming for Adobe Xd very soon. Bravo is going to support Adobe Xd. That means you just export your designs from Adobe Xd and it converts it into an application which you can then edit or add data to. Now, uxdesign.cc has come up with a page called Trends. Everything that happened in a particular year, all the trends, design trends, applications, software, and so much more has been compiled. Hundreds of links and list items are put into one single page. If you are looking to get a recap of everything cool that happened last year, go check out this website. It is very useful and there are a lot of cool links that you can discover on your own. From April onwards, your Figma will be very different. For the free plan, you will be allowed to create 3 projects, and under those 3 teams or 3 projects, you can have 3 files, and inside those files, you can only have 3 pages. Remember an unlimited list of pages that you could insert in Figma? Well, they will go away. You can only have 3 pages now. Alright, so here's a breakdown. Unlimited files are going to be same in drafts. Unlimited pages are going to remain same in drafts only. Now you cannot have unlimited editors even in your drafts. Apart from that, the major changes with our starter teams. So if you have team sections like you have in Figma, if you have multiple sections, those team sections will now have restrictions unless you get a higher plan. By Design is a very interesting new podcast which has come up, which introduces a lot of new UX and UI design guests. All the other podcasts have now gotten old. Some are active, some aren't. This is a really interesting new podcast that you can now get. They've already released some episodes, so go check it out and listen to it. Adobe Max has been announced now. Yes. October 26 to 28. Again, it's happening online because of COVID. They're taking all the precautions necessary. I appreciate that. Enter your email and you'll get updates about it. You can also check out all the speakers, the sessions, the free classes that they're introducing. I think it's very useful and valuable for a lot of people who are learning UX and UI design. Go check it out. Icon Scout, one of the largest icon and illustration asset libraries in the world, has introduced a desktop application. Yes. If you're on Mac or Windows, you can now get their desktop application. No more going to their website, searching for new icons. Everything will be in a concise little widget that will lay on your desktop and you can always access it from anywhere. Now, it's happened a lot of times that you've worked on a design, an application or a website, but then it just lies around. Rather than that, you can now sell these ideas, products, designs, and websites on a unified platform. It's called Buy My Side Project. So literally, if you worked on a side project on your own, this will help you get actual cash for it. Of course, there is of course, there are thousands of websites like this, but this is one that has lately cropped up. And I think this is good to look at. It's also quite popular these days, so go check it out. Maybe put your side project and get some cash for it. I hope you liked today's design news. I come up with such amazing content every Monday and Thursday. So if you're interested in this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also click on the bell icon and make sure that you don't miss out on all this value that I'm trying to provide. Comment down below, are you sad about the Figma changes or it doesn't really affect you? I'll see you next time, same place, same time. Till then, God bless.